Hello and welcome to Canning Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a Gaggia Classic. We replaced the steam valve and we're going to test with the steam valve first. Nice strong steam, no leaks. Shuts right off. Now we will temper it back down to coffee brewing temperature by opening the valve, incorporating water back into the tank, and cooling it down with the cool water. Yep, the light went out. And we're going to stop it now. This indicates it's ready to brew coffee. Shut that valve, excuse me. And here we go. Great, look at that, nice shot of espresso. Thank you very much for pairing with Canning Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.